puzzle. With a little
Oh.
ball in there.
Cool, there you go.
Something to
Keep you busy.
Yeah, keep me busy. Then come to Shelly. Shelly, can you do this for me?
Well, there you go.
Keep Shelly
Group
busy
project.
too. Yeah.
Reason to come visit.
Yeah. Oh, Hall's Defense Vitamin C.
Ooh.
I'm here for that.
Ooh, raspberry cream Santa. Yummy. You're funny. Ooh, sorry. Does it actually work?
Depending on never lose.
There we go.
Oh, wow.
Get whip that thing out at work. Hello.
There you go.
My pocket. Awesome.
Let that around all day.
Oh, pens, more pens. Always good. For all those people who steal them at work.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Well, that one I don't think you want to use at work.
No.
At least not at Fridays.
No.
You could call old banker.
Yeah.
Bring it home with you.
Right. So cute. Moisturizing lotion.
It's always good too.
Oh,
Sure
yeah.
thing.
I wash my hands 9 times a day. A little tape measure.
Oh, those are nice.
A flexible one. And pink.
You can measure your waistline every day. See
It's
how
growing
small
yet.
you're getting. Stick it in your purse.
I walk around a lot. Ooh. What is it? Raspberry lemonade blast.
Oh.
What's this?
Raspberry lemonade.
Why don't you smell? Smells good.
Wait, let me get my glasses in the right spot.
Thanks, guys.
You're welcome.
Oh, for Christmas. Double-sided holiday puzzle. Tricky. Happy holidays, and I'll be home. Cute.
There you go. Something to do at work.
I can write and play my Snoopy puzzle. And eat my chocolate Santa. Oh, look, I got some too. Raspberry lemonade. Good. Oh, look, it's a toothbrush. What I use all the time. And here's another one. Soft, perfect. I can change every month now.
Walgreens.
And Carmex, yes, good. Cherry. Label book. Oh, cute. Big and small. Oh, nice. Removable labels. Interesting. Cool. Carmex Moisture Plus. New. Good. All will be stuff for winter.
Because it is winter.
And more Carmex. Why? Hey,
Everybody knows you love
everybody knows. Well, they
They
can
already got really chapped lips.
really chapped lips. And they've been, yeah. One of mine are running out, so it's good.
Then you're set for the year.
Yep. One by my computer upstairs. Squeezing the heck out of that thing. water fun game. Oh, I got a game.
Bar for sensitive, dry sensitive skin. I guess I got some soap.
Okay.
There you go.
Hand soap.
Do you have dry sensitive skin?
I don't know. And I got Walgreens toothbrushes too.
Ooh.
Wow.
Somebody bought them all out.
I guess.
Yeah.
Don't know who that would be.
And I got Winnie the Pooh.
Oh, we can work puzzles together.
Double-sided.
Mm-hmm. A little extra challenging for us.
Magic face.
I remember that.
Yes, I do remember those.
All the old time toys.
Those are like old. Do they even have these anymore? Where would they even get that nowadays? Somebody even shopping
Something
on
for you to
eBay?
do when you're like bored.
I got a pencil load.
Oh, those are fun.
You got a lot of fun toys this year.
Pack that in the car. See your mom. What's that recording?
Ooh, Fannie Mae. Mint Meltaways.
Oh.
Or mint Meltaway. There's just one in there. Yeah, either that or they all melted together. And Dentitech toothpicks.
Oh, stuff you
I
like.
think that's it. There.
Stuff you use.
Yes, it is. Oh, sugar-free reduced Starlight Mints.
Sugar-free.
Sugar-free. And this looks like sugar. Yep, milk chocolate, made with real milk chocolate.
There
Yep,
you go.
the old standby.
Then you brush your
Good
teeth
stuff.
with the toothbrush.
I guess so, both of them. Pucks. Medicated cooling pads. That's what happens when you go shopping at Walgreens late at night. Oh, thank you everyone.
You're welcome.
Pam wants to see those tucks.
What is
Pam wants to know about those tucks.
They're for hemorrhoids.
Oh.
Oh no, not only that. Remember after I had the
Hemorrhoid
babies, I came
pads
home with
with
them.
witch hazel. Immediate relief from burning and itching caused by hemorrhoids.
Or whenever, when you have burning or itching.
So after you use Tux, you use the monkey butt?
Yes.
I need to share with Shelly. Stop this year.
That sounds about right.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
Okay.
Okay. See some care of me.